Hi, I'm Sarah, and welcome to Primrose Lane Prims. For this project, I'm going to be using a grapevine wreath as my base, and I'm going to attach a pine garland from Walmart to it. Now to do this, I'm going to just use some green floral wire that you can get at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take it and slide it through my grapevine and then back up and around my pine garland and secure it down tightly. I'm going to do this about every 6 inches or so that my garland is securely attached to my grapevine wreath frame. Once you get to the end, just take your wire cutters and snip off any excess garland that you have. Now be sure on the ends of these to take your wire cutters and bend that wire down because it can be sharp, and if you don't, some of your little pine twigs can slide off the end. Then just take your floral wire and attach that down on the end and then fluff your garland out. Now I'm going to use this in the middle. We can build a snowman, little cute wood sign. It's a very primitive-y. Honestly, I've had this in my craft stash for a while. I'm not even sure where I got it from, to be perfectly honest. But I'm going to use my staple gun, and I'm going to take some rusty wire and attach with my staple gun to both top ends of my sign. And then I'm going to find where I want it in my wreath and use those wires to securely wire it to my wreath. Next, I'm going to take this cute little snowman. He's also a little wood primitive looking snowman. And he has a wire at the top already that I'm just going to stick my pine garland through and twist it around to secure him in there, and then tuck those branches around him and he won't go anywhere. Next, I'm going to take these rustic accent rusty jingle bells. They're from Darcy. Now I got these at the flea market in Berlin, Ohio, but they also sell these on Amazon or ones very similar. I'll leave a link down below to any of the rusty products that I'm using today. I'm going to take my rusty wire, attach it to my bells, and then just wire those bells directly to my pine garland. And I'm going to do that intermittently all the way around my wreath. I'm then going to take this homespun red and white gingham fabric. This is already cut into strips. I'm going to take my homespun fabric that you can get at Joann Fabrics, you can get it at Hobby Lobby, Walmart sells it, and I'm just going to tie these little strips around my pine garland, intermittently around my wreath. Just add a little bit of that primitive rustic charm. This wreath is so simple, but it just turns out beautiful, I think. Sometimes less is more. Just keep tying your fabric around your wreath wherever you think it needs just a little pop of color. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, bye friends.